Are you prepared to explore a groundbreaking and profitable method to earn more than $1,000 daily online in 2024? Introducing ChatGPT, the epitome of future online income generation. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce an enticing opportunity where you can leverage artificial intelligence to generate a significant income from the convenience of your home. If you're eager to seize the future of online income and tap into the possibilities of AI-powered earnings, then ensure you don't overlook this opportunity. Stick around until the end of this video to uncover the secrets of earning $1,000 or more daily with ChatGPT in 2024. Get set to revolutionize your online earning potential. To get started, go to listverse.com by typing the website address into your browser's search bar. Upon arrival, you'll discover an array of captivating content, including a variety of top 10 list articles. Examples encompass a range of topics, such as the 10 best cold opens in cinematic history and 10 shocking facts about shoe throwing. Additionally, explore pieces like 10 actors who had really weird jobs before finding fame, among numerous other articles available. The site attracts millions of daily views, especially from the United States. It's important to note that the articles on the site are not created by the website itself, but rather by contributors like you. Now, let's explore a simple method for earning money online. Using only Google and the copy-paste feature provided by ChatGPT, this method is noteworthy for being both free and globally applicable. To begin, navigate to the top section of the page where you'll locate the More option. Once you've found it, proceed by clicking on Write and Get Paid. This action will smoothly redirect you to a dedicated page titled Write and Get Paid. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the platform's guidelines and informational materials, which will aid in gaining a better understanding of the process. In the vast array of information available, one significant feature shines through. The platform provides a generous compensation of $100 for your contributions, irrespective of your expertise level. This inclusive approach guarantees that individuals from diverse backgrounds can engage and reap rewards. Now, let's explore the nuances of the submission process. It progresses in a simple fashion. Compile a list of at least 10 items, await confirmation of acceptance, and upon publication, promptly receive $100 directly deposited into your PayPal account. The system's simplicity and transparency highlight its attractiveness. Furthermore, it's important to mention that each submission of a top 10 article guarantees a $100 payment, emphasizing the possibility of significant earnings. For example, submitting 5 articles results in a notable sum of $500, whereas submitting 10 articles can generate an impressive $1,000. This scalability emphasizes the financial feasibility of engaging in this opportunity. Before we proceed, if this video aligns with your interests, kindly give it a thumbs up. Additionally, remember to subscribe, activate notifications, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. For the next step, you'll need to access ChatGPT. Simply type ChatGPT into your search bar and select the first link that appears. Alternatively, you can directly visit chat.openai.com. This will take you to the ChatGPT homepage. Upon reaching the destination, you have the option to either log in with your Google account or choose to sign up if you do not have one already. The registration process is simple and free of complications. Once logged in, you will encounter ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence program proficient in various tasks and capable of generating content based on your instructions. Many of you may already be acquainted with the capabilities of ChatGPT. To utilize its services, simply go to the Send Message section, input your request, press Enter, and ChatGPT will promptly start processing your query. For example, suppose you desire ChatGPT to create a captivating blog article showcasing a top 10 list. Input your request and await the article's completion, typically achieved within seconds. Upon receiving the final product, you will possess a fully developed piece, such as the one we've just produced. A comprehensive overview of the top 10 essential gadgets of 2024, crafted entirely at no cost. If the produced article doesn't meet your expectations, don't worry. Just return to the interface and request another article on a different topic. ChatGPT will promptly generate a new piece customized to your specifications. This process can be repeated until you discover an article that aligns with your preferences. The adaptability and effectiveness of ChatGPT render it an indispensable tool for content creation and ideation. Consider a scenario where your content with the article produced by ChatGPT. In this scenario, simply copy the entire content from ChatGPT and then head back to listverse.com, where you can access the submissions forum. Upon reaching the forum, proceed by pasting your article and adhering to the instructions provided for submission. Here's a useful suggestion. Broaden your submissions by addressing different topics. Furthermore, strive to submit as numerous articles as feasible to optimize your potential earnings. It's crucial to understand that not all submitted articles will be accepted. Nevertheless, by boosting the number of submissions, you improve your odds of getting some articles approved and earning compensation. Here's another profitable strategy I'll divulge, one that has personally yielded over $11,000 thus far. Although this method may not be as simple as the previous one, the potential for greater earnings is significant. Rest assured, although it demands more effort, it is entirely achievable. Allow me to introduce socialblade.com, a platform offering insights into the revenue of YouTube channels. Consider, for instance, the Top 10 Nerd YouTube Shorts channel, which generates a monthly income ranging from $1,000 to $14,000, with annual earnings reaching up to $200,000. How do they accomplish this? By producing succinct top 10 videos that attract millions of views. When you analyze their channel, which has almost 200,000 subscribers, you'll observe a trend. They regularly create top 10 themed content encompassing various topics, such as countries with the highest male population or the best transportation systems. Interestingly, all these videos are generated by artificial intelligence. I'll show you how you can effortlessly replicate this process. To start, visit the website mentioned in the video called unveil. Here, you'll discover an AI-powered text-to-video software that allows you to quickly create videos, often in less than a minute. Begin by signing up for an account. Just click on the Sign Up button and provide your details, including name, email, and password. After successfully creating your account, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which offers a range of features, including the AI text-video option. When you choose the AI text-video feature, you'll be prompted to select the aspect ratio. Choose the portrait option, as we'll be creating videos specifically tailored for YouTube Shorts. Then, take a look at the assortment of templates at your disposal. You can browse through a variety of options until you discover one that matches your preferences. Once you've chosen a template, preview the video to confirm that it aligns with your vision. If the outcome doesn't match your expectations, feel free to explore other templates until you discover the perfect match. In mere seconds, the software will produce the video using your chosen template and script. It functions akin to ChatGPT, utilizing AI technology to simplify the video creation process. And that concludes today's video. If you found it informative and enjoyable, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Once more, this is Ideas from Chows. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.